Hi everyone, you're with me, Angsong Timung, and welcome back to my channel. And I hope you all are having a good time. A delight, Karbi New Year to each and everyone. So for now, for a very short period of time, I went to West Karbi Anglong for the first time, and it was quite amazing, I would say. Moreover, it was full of nature with a greenery forest, and I guess sooner or later I will travel to West Karbi Anglong. So for now, let's start the video. Nilinon kita amji ke lake West Karbi Anglong dongkam mukam dipupen ang barik adlo lapen non nili kedo ke ti chomarong. Non nili ho jai sidolo non alomso te damit po West Karbi Anglong. So stay tuned guys. So now the fact is ni West Karbi Anglong dongkam mukam an palilo ni punuhem sita ni puarting ongmat video bang semarang nedelo video semar jipan bor I olo sita nili condition bang mio edit ajo video bang semarang nedelo sita adim bang ke thekdam long lo. So in the upcoming years, I will travel to West Karbi Anglong and I will make a video on that. So pinya video bang ke laan se kang ton lo kardom.